Check this out. I got this beaten iPhone 11 Pro for 50 euros. And the best thing about it, it is in perfect working condition. The damage is only aesthetical. We have a broken screen and back glass. And check this out. It doesn't stop there. It is 512 gigabytes model, which is quite insane for 50 euros. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove the back glass, order the new one, and I guess this is gonna be the hardest part of this repair. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna replace the screen. So let's follow everything up and see how then result gonna look and how much it will cost me. Okay, the first thing which I started doing with this iPhone is to remove a broken back glass. I'm doing this a few days already. When I have time, I take around 20-30 minutes doing a section by section. I didn't do any damage to phone up until now, and hopefully until the end. I did turn it on, test it, everything works perfectly. I'm having a bit of problem to start peeling around cameras, but I will figure that out. I already ordered back glass, still looking for the best budget option for the screen. We will see how will everything end. After the long wait, I finally got everything I needed to finish restoring this iPhone 11 Pro. I got the screen from GX, and I got a back glass in the same color. So first, let's put a new back glass. The process was quite daunting, but I managed to do it just by following other videos on this team. I want to know that this was my first time to do this, and I think that I did a job quite well. Getting this adhesive on the back plate is quite a troublesome to align everything, so I will recommend you have a link down below for a back plate to just use glue. I didn't have glue, so I'm stuck with this. So let's place it on the phone. The first thing before you peel off the back side of adhesive is to align everything and check if everything fits how it should. And this looks quite nice. I did made a bit of damage in this top left corner. It was really hard to remove the glue and everything, but if we ignore that, it is quite a good job. So let's remove the back adhesive and finish with this. Back glass is on the phone. Looks astonishing. Really nice. There are links down below for all the parts in this video, including the back glass and screen itself. Let's now replace the screen and see how it will look. Okay, 3 hours later, I had a huge problem to remove a plate which was on the battery connector. Basically, I needed to cut it with these tweezers. Godsend. Hopefully I didn't make any damage to the phone. I will now connect the screen and after that battery to do the test. The problem which I encountered is the Chinese did send wrong screwdrivers. So when I did try to remove the battery connector plate, I stripped the screws and that was a huge problem, as you can see. Everything is reconnected and the moment of truth. Did I break it? Will it work? Come on, come on. You can do it. Yes! It is working. Amazing. This is it, from trash to completely restored iPhone 11 Pro. I quite like the end result. looks beautiful. It is not perfect, but considering that I paid for it 50 euros, it was worth a repair of this iPhone 11 Pro. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. For the all parts, you can find links down below in the description box, and until next time, see ya.